siya taman.
Banyak po talaga na po.
Welcome to Boulevard. What's the direct Carmen?
Makasandig.
Kasandig
Gimana ya,
Boulevard. The view is very, very nice. Heading to Korea. Korea. We're heading to Korea. Korea, Makasandig. Buang-buang. And we're going to exit to Japan, Makasandig. Makasandig, Japan. Shade, you know what? Arayo, where are we going to exit? Makasandig, Japan.
Huh?
Yeah, we're exiting to Makasandig, Japan. And we're heading to Korea, Japan, Makasandig. Oh, see? The gravity of the earth is very nice. Check out this one. What's up, money? What's up, money? The view is very good looking. Good looking. See? Oh, naman na. See? Naman na. Kamu ba? Oh. Balyong-balyong na rin. Yan. Yan! Oh, very nice the musicing. And they're getting the basurahing. Part na siya sa street, guys. Yeah, it's part of the street. Street of Japan. So, 3 minutes. 3 minutes siya sa. Okay? But the view and the earth and the heaven is very nice in the view. The clouding. Heaven. So, bali na, Demi. Mag-vlog na. Nag-vlog naman din.
Nalinodo din. Pang-reels na.
Pang-reels na.
Sabi niyang video lang ba? Malinood naman din.
Nitinood niya. So, bali na, Demi, guys. Gigan ni sa kuhan. So, nanang isa ka ng Makasandig National High School. Ginoo ko, Lord. Basta pauli na mi siya. So kani siya nga street pauli na mi siya. Hey you, I'm going to blurring you. Her hair is very straighting. Something stronger than the moon above. Oh, diba? I'm singing. So the clouding is very nice. So dili may nagdagan, nagbaklay, wala nagdagan, nagbaklay ra. Yes. Dali ko gipicturean asa man ka banda. Deo Stargate ba? Stargate Village. Di ba nice kayo ang clouding? It's very blowing.
Dali ka nagsiya.
Ay, oh, diyan ko nag-search sa teacup na hotel. Teacup? Ano ba? Teacup ko. See? Hindi nyo makita malamang. Pero, yeah. Pero mahal kailan ko. Discourage lagi to.
Si promote ko.
sa Taguanaw. Sa Taguanaw, Korea, Taguanaw. Korea, Taguanaw. See? Kita mo na? Oh, Taguanaw. Pakipos. Sige, dapat din ako. Oh, see? Nice kayo. Oh, tanawa. Ano sa ito? Kayo, we're heading to Japan. Okay. Oh my God, it's the una-unahing that yet. Arthur?
Health center.
Ang health center, okay, sa gusto mong pa-check up niya. Katos na, survey to sila. Yun na ito mong survey sa Monterey ka. I will love you. I promise you that. Nice kayo ang, wait lang sa mga. Kung i-promote ang ako ang sunlight. See? Nice kayo. Tanawa na lang unan nyo dila. So, welcome to Taguanaw, Japan. Since they have Tokyo, Japan, we have Taguanaw, Japan. We're exiting to Taguanaw na. I have my favorite here. Favorite place na. From okay, balikarta na siya. Far away. Ay, human na to akong favorite place. Wala na ako nakita ba, wala ko siya na-promote. And the place is very heavening. It's very nicing over the ring. See? But there, oh, it's very nicing. See? The view is very good. Cool. So we're here. After all that we've been through. See? It's very nice. Steady. So we are entering to Ventura National High School College. Oh, this is so heaven. I like the view. It's very landonging. We have a lot of kahoy here. Oh, the view there is very nice over there. So nice. So we are here in Xavier, United States of America. What's that? Aklan Insurance?
Climb.
The place here is very nicing and very cleaning, and the road is very widening, so it's very nicing. And the pine trees are very leveling. See, it's so level, very level life. Ano na Englishing? I know where ang god na ang god sa Japan. That's why di ay. So we have to posing because we are dropping somebody in. Look guys, it's very nicing the sun sunning. Nice tayo ay. The sky is very blowing. It's very nice. Pag ang imong edad mabot na og ka na mga 30s or heading 30s na, inani na nimong gusto. Murag sa mga view, mga nice, mga peaceful view. So visit St. Francis Doctors Hospital mo niya. Doctors Hospital Medical Center. St. Francis Doctors Hospital Medical Center.
Kasi binasahay mo. Alam dito, balik mo. So we're entering Vista Verde, United States of America. Look in your
Pueblo Golf, State of the America. So naman eh, murag tour naman eh nga kung asa na kita. So, diri na mag-end ang atong video for today's video. Sige, bye-bye, salamat.